We're actually killing our own profession.
We are in such an interesting time in nursing right now in the history of this profession. A lot of these mean boomers are retiring and getting pushed out. We're not tolerating that anymore. Millennials and Gen Z, they don't go for that. We're not going for like the mean nurse, or it's not tolerated anymore. Straight to HR, incident report. You're gonna be a B to me? Oh, no. We're gonna follow the chain command, and that's not how we do it here anymore. Everybody supports everybody, especially females. We support each other, and we're going to lift each other up. That is the next generation of nursing. So if you ever see this in your profession or you are bullied, please incident report, tell the charge nurse, tell your manager, do not tolerate it. And then of course, when you're in the same situation, grab all those nursing students under your wing, or even just a new nurse and you might know a little bit more than them, share the knowledge that you have. That is why I have this platform. I've been a nurse for 13 years and I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to know. If you have a question that you don't feel comfortable asking the other nurses at work or your charge nurse, email me, DM me, and I will answer it for you. I love you. Have a good shift.